help the United Nations by understanding the principles of the Universal Peace Federation. Now, Brother John Santillan is the speaker today. I have known him around in 2000, in 1997, I think. In 1992, when we met each other in Korea, and even before that, I was introduced to him by one of my friends. And he used to be a speaker for a radio station in an island in the Philippines. There are so many islands in the Philippines, but only 688 of them are inhabited. There are 7,100 islands in the Philippines. Only 688 is inhabited. And one of those islands, he is the radio announcer, John. So, and he has been organizing these workshops for several months ago, and I really commend his efforts. He will be doing the peace messages, peace principles, and I hope that you will learn so many things about this one, because this is not just taught here. This is also taught in the universities. This is taught at the UN. This is taught in the American Congress. This is taught in Korea, all over the world, in various venues, not just here in Semecan. It also is taught to universities, schools, and colleges all throughout the world. So this is uniform. What they are learning there are also the things that we are going to learn today. So I encourage everyone to listen to these peace principles. There are only five of them, and maybe he will mention more. So without further ado, I would like to call on